Hi, it's Ryan from Mourne Craft here. We're in Killowen today. We've done a few bits and pieces for this man. I'd just like to show you. So these are the gates that we done for the client here in Killowen. Basically the customer came to us with an image of a set of gates that he wanted to copy, and that's basically what we done. We can really make a set of gates to any design that you would have, and if there was a few changes that you wanted to do, we can as well. So the way these gates were actually made, we actually punched that flat bar that's going across there, we punched square notches out of it and ran the bars through. It just makes it look more old school, more traditional. Follow me and we'll show you the rest of the work that we carried out. So going up the ramp here, building control asked for some kind of railings to stop people from falling over the side. We actually made these railings, as you can see the last few railings here are actually curved to follow the sweep in the wall. We made these railings out of the same material that the gates were made from. As you can see, we incorporated the circles, and it's actually the actual frames are made from the same materials as the gates were. So on the upper level up here, the customer didn't want to go for railings. They wanted to go for something that wasn't going to obstruct their view, so they decided to go for black powder coated posts which tie in with the railings and gates and the glass infill panels. I think that was the right decision, especially with the view like that. So if you have a project that you'd like us to get involved with, contact us today at info@mournecraft.com.